Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone. In this lesson we will learn common Arabic words. So, let's begin. The first one is Khallas. Khalas. Khalas means finish it. It can also mean stop, end, enough, etc. It's one of those words that can be and is used in every situation. For example, Khalas, I am done talking about this. The second one is Habibi. Habibi. Habibi in Arabic means friend and is often used in conversation, both formally and informally. It's one of those words that can be used in any situation. For example, thanks Habibi. The third one is Insha'Allah. Insha'Allah. Insha'Allah is one of those words that is used in every situation too. And Insha'Allah means good willing or if good wills it. For example, I will improve my lessons Insha'Allah. Another example, I will see you tomorrow Insha'Allah. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. MashaAllah is a little difficult as it is used in married ways. The closest translation is Allah has willed it. It's mostly commonly said when admiring or praising something. For example, oh, MashaAllah, that's great. Shukran. Shukran. If you want to say thank you or thanks, in Arabic, shukran is the word you want to use. And should you want to say no thanks, in Arabic say la shukran. For example, shukran, that's very kind of you. Another example, la shukran, I don't want any. Mabrook. Mabrook. If you want to say congratulations to someone in Arabic, say Mabrook. For example, Mabrook, I am so happy for you. I am so happy for you. لا أفهم. لا أفهم. لا أفهم means I don't understand. It's also useful for when you run into someone who only speaks Arabic and you have difficulty communicating. You can say sorry, لا أفهم. Sorry, لا أفهم. من فضلك. من فضلك. This is the great one. Look, من فضلك, if you ever want to say please in Arabic, say من فضلك. Keep in mind though that the pronunciation changes a bit when addressing a female. Okay? So if you are saying please in Arabic to a female, say من فضلك. من فضلك, not من فضلك. Okay? And we are done here, guys. Hope you like and enjoy this lesson. And I wanna say Mabrook or congratulations, and also مع السلامة or goodbye, and see you in the next lecture.